The Master Chief Collection.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter.
FIFA 20.
Genres: video game, sports.
Lara Croft and the Temple of Osiris.
Genres: video game, action-adventure game.
Trials Rising.
Genres: video game, racing.
Death Squared.
Genres: video game, puzzle.
Lego Marvel Superheroes 2.
Genres: video game, action-adventure.
Team Sonic Racing.
Genres: video game, kart racing.
Forza Horizon 4.
Genres: video game, racing.
A Way Out.
Genres: video game, action-adventure.
Gears 5.
Genres: video game, third-person shooter.
Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2.
Genres: video game, tower defense, third-person shooter.
Rivals of Eva.
Genres: video game, fighting.
Human Fall Flat.
Human Fall Flat. Monster Hunter World.
Child of Light.
Child of Light. Lego Harry Potter Years 1-4.
Diablo Roman 3.
Genres: video game, action role-playing, hack and slash. Battle Block Theater. Castle Crashers.
Lego Star Wars, the video game.
Lego Star Wars, the video game.
Order Initiator.
Genres: video game, action role-playing, first-person shooter.
Rayman Legends.
Genres: video game, platform. Overcooked 2.
Sea of Thieves.
Genres: video game, action-adventure.
Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Keep talking and nobody explodes.
Genres: video game, puzzle.
Portal 2.
Portal 2.
Coffin.
Genres: video game, run and gun.
Rocket League.
Rocket League.
Lovers in a Dangerous Space.
Genres: video game, action, platform.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.